pause it, take a picture?
Mm-mm. So you want to get 3/4?
You have to open the treasure.
Yeah. All right. So we're gonna have to learn for that much time. Okay. All right. This for Baba. Say
Yeah, and you did do well this part.
this part.
Yeah.
All right. So. Yep. Can you say sun?
Sun.
You hear it?
Sun.
Oh. Thank you. Yeah, you almost. That was almost bad. All right. What sound does that make? Yeah. All right. So say sun.
Sun.
Say sit.
Sit.
You hear it?
Just like Frisco said.
Well, oh yeah, just like Frisco said, yeah. But did you hear the in Frisco?
Yeah.
Is it Frisco? Yeah. All right. Can you say sand?
Sam. Just like Sammy.
Oh yeah, Sammy too. Got the right?
Yeah.
All right. What about sock?
Sock.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Sock.
Sock.
What about set?
Sit.
Like ready, set, go.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one for you.
Just like another music, let the ready, set, go.
Yeah. So you hear?
I mean, Maria.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that part. All right. So we're gonna do another letter, okay? All right. What letter is this?
I don't know.
It's an F.
F.
And the sound it makes is like fa fa fa.
Fa, fa.
Yeah, you hear it? Fa.
Fa, 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 fa. Just like fa, fa, fa. Fa, fa.
Yeah. Can you say fan?
Fan.
You hear it? Fan.
Fan.
Can you say fast?
Fast.
You hear it? Fast.
Fast.
Yeah. Fun.
Fun.
You hear it? Fun. What about fog?
Fog. Just like foggy.
Yeah, like foggy.
Yeah.
All right. So we got
Foggy.
like tap.
Tap.
You hear it? Tap.
Tap.
And top.
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 Yeah, you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tent.
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 You hear it? Tall.
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 Oh, what sound does that make?
And
Well, that's the letter, but what sound does M make?
hungry.
Mmm. Mmm. Can you say mom?
Mom.
Mmm. Mom.
Mom.
You hear it?
Yeah.
Can you say oh?
Mom.
Ma. Ma.
Mama.
Ma.
Ma.
Yeah. All right.
Ma.
You
I
hear
got
it?
it so excited. Ma.
All right. So say Matt. Matt.
Just like Max.
Oh, Max.
Yeah.
You hear the All right. So you got Matt.
Max. Just like Max.
Max too. Do you hear the in there? And then you got mop.
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 Mop. My bell.
Oh, so we got
You over there?
yeah. But if you want we gotta sit still and we gotta not sit still, but I want you to focus, okay?
Okay.
All right, you're doing really good. Here. Hey, here. You know what this makes? What sound does it make? Ah. Ah. Like ant. You hear it? Ant. What about act? Act. You hear it? Act. What about all? All. You hear it? All. What about ask? Yeah, like you asking a question. You hear the ask? And add. Add. Alright, and then your last one here is, what letter is this? What letter is this?
But I just looking for my another top. Where is another top? How do I roll? No, I need to open that.
Oh, okay. Well, let's focus. What letter is this? You know? Yeah. Alright, you say tap.
Tap.
Like tap. You hear it? What about top? Oh, like your top. You hear it? Top.
Just like these tops.
Yeah. You got tent.
Tap.
Tent. And you got tall. Yeah. Tall.
Just like your top.
Yeah. A little bit. Jazz is tall.
Yeah.
Alright, you ready for your next lesson? Alright.
I put it to wall on my lips.
Yeah. Alright. You ready? Say this. Sam said.
Sam said.
Sam said.
Sam said.
You hear this? Are those S's? Sam said?
Sam said.
Yeah. I need you.
I tried to put this. Wait a second.
A fat ant.
A fat ant.
A fat ant.
A fat ant. But Mama, we saw a fat bird.
Yeah, sure. Sam said.
Sam said. Just like Sammy.
Yeah, so and Sam said.
Sam said.
A fat ant.
A fat ant.
Ah.
A
Fat
fat
ant.
ant.
Yeah, be careful.
Ant.
Yeah. Tam taps.
Tam taps.
Tam
Tam.
taps.
Tam. Tam tap.
Fast fan.
Fast pea.
Fast fan.
Fast hat.
Fast
Fast
fan.
fan.
Matt Sam.
Mac. Bracelet Sam.
What about Ant ate fig? Ant ate fig. Ant ate fig. Fig.
I don't know the
Fig. Say it.
I don't know what fig is.
We'll say it first.
Fig.
Thank you. You don't know you eat figs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what it is. What about Sam is fast?
Sammy is fast.
Yep. What about
My big sister is
What about madman?
Batman.
Madman.
Batman.
Yes. What about tan mat?
Tail. Mat.
Tan mat. Mat.
Tail. Mat. Mat.
Mat set.
Mat. Set.
Mat set.
Mat. Set.
Fast ant set.
Fast and set.
Good job. Fast ant set.
Fast and set.
Good job.
I broke my design.
Sam sat fast.
Sam, fat,
No. Sam sat
Sam,
fast.
Sam,
Sat.
fat.
Okay.
I'm fucking every day.
Okay. So,
I'm fucking every day. No.
alright, so here we go. Next.
Left.
We got a matching. So, what sound does this make? And where is the s over here? Which one's the s? Oh, you're right. Sun
Teeth.
and sit and
Two
sun.
of them.
Yeah, all of them actually.
All of them.
Yeah. All right.
Boom,
What
chicken boom.
about this? What sound does that one make? Yeah, what sound does it make? That's the letter. What sound does it make? Think about it. What sound does the M? Oh, what does a cow make?
Moo.
Okay, so what sound does the M make?
M.
Mm. So which one's the Oh yeah, like Matt and Mom. Okay. All right. What about this one? What sound does that make? Well, it kind of looks like this one, huh? Don't get confused. It's a little tricky. So this one has the hook at the top. See, it hooks at the top, and this one hooks at the bottom. So the one at the top is a like what? Where does that one come? Where's the like fan and fa. Now keep it right there. Thank you. Okay. Like fa and fast.
Just like ba 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 ba.
Alright, now you got two more. What sound does that make? Yeah, so which one is ah? Which one up there is ah? Oh, like ant? Ah. Alright, well you got one more. What sound does this make?
I'm confused.
It's okay. It's okay to be confused. It was confusing because remember, your F had the hook up the top.
I'm confused at that one too.
Yeah, but this has the hook at the bottom. Say hook at the bottom.
Hook at the bottom.
So look, it's a T. And what sound does T make? What sound does T make? What sound does T make? Yeah. good. All right, so where does the T go on the board? Where's the T's? The T. Look all over. Where's the T? The T. Where you see the T? The T. Yep. You put on that side. Like tap and top and tent and tall. Your timer is almost done. So this was your first one, your 15 one. Now we got one more, your 5 minute, and then after that you get your 3 quarters.
Did I open the treasure?
Yep.
Yay, treasure, 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 treasure. I'm excited about the treasure.
Oh, that's good. Now let's switch it over here. Alright, come over here. Alright, look in the mirror. Now, wiggle your fingers like a slithering snake for s. Wiggle your finger. Oh, yeah. Let's write that off. Alright, so you listening? Wiggle your fingers like a slithering snake for s. Alright, rub your belly for a for M. This one's interesting. Open your mouth wide like an ant crawling in there. Alright. Stomp your foot for the letter T. That's T. Blow air like you're blowing out a candle for interesting. Alright, so S. M. A. I. T. F. Alright, we'll do it one more time, okay? Alright. Show me. Come back to the mirror. Show me. Show me how you know it's. Can you show me? What's